Good morning, sir. I'm Jason Romualdo. I'm a event manager and sales manager of Nostalgic Cuisine Events and Services.
I'm Luigi.
So, welcome po sa Nostalgic Cuisine. Isa po kaming catering service company na specialize sa traditional na culinary experience in the modern area. So, our mission is to bring warmth and comfort of home-cooked meals on every event and to our every client. So, our vision po is to be a premier catering service that seamlessly blends tradition with modern culinary artistry. So, ito po yung ating mga professional personnel of Nostalgic Cuisine. So po ako po si Jason Romualdo, event manager and sales manager po, head waiter, bartender, head chef, and sous chef, and receptionist. Wedding and event services inclusion. Meron po tayong event planning and coordination, venue, selection and design, custom decor and floral design, catering and cake services, photography and videography, hair and makeup services, transportation and guest services, rentals, and equipments. Ito po yung sample menu natin. Meron po tayong appetizers, deviled eggs, mini tacos, sushi rolls. Sa side dishes naman po, merong chicken salad, mixed veggies with grilled eggs, coleslaw. Then sa main course naman po, meron tayong chicken cordon bleu, roast beef, belly with mushroom sauce, honey garlic pork, and sa dessert naman po, nag-offer kami ng creme brulee, wedding cake pops, and customized cookies. Ito po yung ating sample layout. Then ito po yung sample portfolio of my previous events. So ito po yung meron po kaming ginawa dati na fairy tale wedding style, rustic wedding style, beach wedding style, meron din modern wedding style, classic wedding style, vintage wedding style. Then ito po yung client's feedback namin ni Mr. and Mrs. Santos, Mr. and Mrs. Smith. Last year po sila nagpa-event ng kasal nila. Mr. and Mrs. Brooke and Mr. and Mrs. Adams. So ito po yung ating event, wedding, and payment. So booking and payment. Sa booking and payment natin, meron po tayong non-refundable deposit. Required po para ma-confirm natin yung pay. Then sa full payment naman po, kailangan po natin siyang ma-full na mabayaran bago yung certain date. Then tumatanggap po kami ng iba-ibang way na payment, tulad po ng bank payments or pwede rin po cash. Then service provided. The service provider will offer the following services. Yun po yung sinabi ko kanina. Then so any additional services po ay kailangan po mapag-usapan natin bago po maganap yung mismong event at mapag-agreehan natin pareho. Next, event changes and cancellations. So any changes to the event details such as date, location, guests must be communicated at least several days in advance. So cancellation. So any cancellation po ay meron po tayong cancellation fee, depende po sa kung ilang araw bago kayo mag-cancel. So in case of emergency, the service provider is not liable for cancellation. Client responsibilities. The client is responsible for the safety of well-being of guests. So, kayo po ang kailangan sabi sa kanila na mag-ingat or huwag masyadong magulo. Liability. The service provider is not responsible for any injury, damage, or loss occurring the event unless caused by the service provider. So, hindi po kami liable kung meron pong masugatan o may masira sa mismong event unless po ay nag-focus nun ay isa po sa mga tao namin or kami mismo. So, hindi rin po kami liable sa any delays na pwedeng cause ng any unforeseen circumstances po. Pwedeng traffic or weather. Force majeure, neither party is liable for failure to perform due to circumstances beyond their control. For example po niyan yung mga emergencies tulad ng aksidente, yung malalang weather. So pareho po tayo liable doon. Privacy and data use, yung personal information po ninyo na client namin ay gagamitin lang po namin para sa ating event. Wala na po. Tapos sa agreement na po, by signing this agreement, both parties acknowledge and accept these terms and conditions. So yun, kung may further questions or clarifications po kayong gustong itanong, pwede nyo po kami i-contact sa mga sumunod. Salamat po.